Have a good day everyone, and today we will see merge layout command and change space command in AutoCAD. First see merge layout command. Okay, model space, layout 1 paper space, layout 2 paper space. Okay, now go layout 1 paper space, go express tools, merge layout, specify layout to merge, layout to select. Okay, specify destination layout, layout 1 select layout 1. Okay, delete unused layout, yes, enter. Okay, now let's see change space command. Home, modify, change space, select object, select format, circle, enter, double click, paper space in. Okay, go model. Okay, again go layout 3, MV, enter. Now in model, again go modify, change space, select object, select circle, format, select, enter, enter. Okay, okay, go model, go layout 3. Okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.